Only 1% can solve this. We have 4 fours and we have to make it 20. You are given 4 fours. You can use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Also brackets. Your goal is to make exactly 20. Sound easy. Let's see. Most people try random operations, but the key is using bracket correctly. Let's solve it step by step. Start smart. First divide the first two numbers. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. This simplifies the problem a lot. Step 2. Build the value. Now add the next 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. We are getting closer to 20. Step 3. Final move. Multiply with the last 4. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Target achieved. Final answer. In bracket 4 divided by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Perfect. Use of bracket and operators. Why 90% get wrong? They ignore brackets. They don't simplify easily. They rush instead of thinking logically. Math is logic, not speed. Your turn. Can you make 20 using 4 fives? Comment your answer below. Subscribe for more brain puzzles. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. More mind-blowing puzzles coming soon.